Hi, ZTE Red Magic 8 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a protective case by default. So let's just open the box. Let's check. So this is the charger and the USB cable. Also let's check this paper box. And we could see that we got here the just protective case in clear color. So that's it. As you can see, our device comes with the protective case, so you shouldn't buy the case separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, click thumbs up and subscribe our channel.